Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an OpenAI API key, a dev environment, and basic dataset samples. First, store your API key securely in environment variables so you never hardcode it. Then create a minimal project, install the OpenAI SDK or plan REST calls, and write a quick script to send a single prompt. Once done, verify you receive a model response and log latency and tokens. This validates access and sets a baseline for iterative design. You now build the core, craft system and user prompt templates that guide behavior and set safety boundaries. This is how you control tone and role. Next, implement API call patterns. Batch requests when possible, handle rate limits with exponential backoff, and retry idempotently. Then add context management, truncate or summarize older messages, or use embeddings for retrieval so the model keeps relevant history. Make sure to log inputs, outputs, and token usage for future tuning and cost control. You finish by hardening and deploying. Add authentication, validate and sanitize inputs, and implement content filters or moderation checks before sending data. Deploy with feature flags and incremental rollout so you can roll back quickly if behavior degrades. Monitor performance, token spend, error rates, and user satisfaction metrics. Alert on anomalies. If responses drift or rate limits spike, assess prompt changes, adjust temperature or model choice, and replay failing requests locally to debug the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.